Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Xiaomi Redmi 13R. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on your search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can add a Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And your Firefox is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.